Hello, welcome back, and thank you for almost 15 years of this channel. So before I start crying, let's go to privacytests.org, and I'm running this in Ubuntu Linux, and this is the same if you have Windows, and I think it's the same for MacBooks. I'm not an Apple person. So privacytests.org, as you can see here, we can go through desktop browsers, desktop privacy mode, private modes, iOS browsers, and Android, and so on. All this is a guide. This website is a guide to see which browsers do less tracking, invading your privacy. Now, by its very nature, the web is not inherently private. In fact, I don't believe that privacy on the web truly exists in the way we would like to describe privacy. However, that does not mean that you cannot become more private. So I can tell you by looking at this, and I've been looking at these tests here really for the last few months, and that really not much has changed. So I can tell you, but what I've seen real quick, there are multiple tests, multiple pages here of different tests that are involved. So without getting technical, let me just say that Brave is one of the best. The popular Firefox is one of the worst. LibreWolf is good. Mulvad browser, you may not have heard of, is good. And of course, Tor is also very good for privacy. So for example, if we look at Brave, the more checks we have, pass privacy test is good. We have an X, it failed the privacy test, and we have the bars here, no such feature. So privacy with Brave. Remember, the more checks we have is good. And as you can see with Brave, there's a lot of checks. So that's good. If we go to Chrome, which I use, Chrome, okay, remember, the more checks we have, the better it is. Yeah, a lot of X's here. Yeah. All right, DuckDuckGo is actually not too bad. Again, the more checks we have, the better it is. X is there, not good. A lot of checks here, that's good. And X is there, X is there. So it's kind of like a mixed bag. If we go to Edge right here, and some checks there, X is there, X is there, X is there, and yeah, not good. The popular Firefox, well, on the first page, the first bunch of tests seems good, but then we have X's and X's and X's. All right, well, this is okay here, a bunch of checks here, but is it the best? Nah, it's really not that very good. LibreWolf, an offshoot of Firefox. Well, let's see, lots of checks there, lots of checks there. So, and last page, yeah. Overall, yeah, I would say it's good. The Mulvad browser. Yeah, this is very good. Lots of checks, as you see here, all the way down, and very good. Mulvad. Opera. Okay, well, again, I'm not going to go the rest of these, but let me just say that from here on, from Opera on, Tor is the one to go with. So what is the very best? Well, I would say Brave, LibreWolf, Mulvad, and Tor. What do you guys think of these tests? Anyway, Happy New Year. Be safe out there. I guess I'll catch you next year. Arrivederci.